All right, good afternoon, Eastern Time. And the price action looks a little wanky today. It is down almost, well, it's down 40 points today. See if you can get above the high here. Handle here is unimpressive. We came up and we pulled back about a point. Came up, pulled back a point. So let's just monitor this. We do the point of control or the volume profile did come up a little bit. So maybe we're going to go ahead and go higher. Got a couple of buying imbalances. See what happens here. Right here, we'll keep our eye right on 85 even. We'll keep our eye on 83 and a half. So I'm going to go long. I like to see a little pullback here. There's a selling imbalance there. I think we got another push. Let's go to 88.50. Let's see if we could get there. We just gave up that support. I didn't see a big seller come in. So we did have a bunch of buying coming here yet. So there was a sell stop that was hit right here. We're getting some selling come in. Let's see if this number comes down, not up. I want to see, I don't care about 10, 15 things, but if it could come down, we'll look better. Or this one comes up, maybe yeah, there you go. So see, we just had that little pop. I don't like any of that. So I'm just gonna, maybe we can make a couple ticks. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, that's terrible. This price action is really bad today. Very bad. All right, so commission loss. You just got to be wary of what's happening. You had all this. If you could tell, this is where the value area is for this candle, right? So we kind of went, see what's happening? I mean, yeah, it did go up. The value is a little higher here. To make new highs when you have all these imbalances, not great. And then you have all these buyers here as well. So I'm looking for this candle here. I want to see. So I'm going to go long right here. So I'm in. That took real fast. I mean, I got in very fast there. But you got to really just, we just got to take the profits when it comes. Because It looks like we'll move up a little higher.
Position closed.
Kill this one. I have my hotkeys enabled. So the last time we saw all this, you see, now we got two-way buying and selling. Still going to keep small targets. So now we have some buying up in here. So I'm thinking that maybe 289.50 will be, you know, support. It could be. It could even be lower than that. You know, we do have a finished auction here and a finished auction. This could be a significant level right now. Once we come through that, even if we could get to 92.50, I'm thinking we'll probably be able to get to, you know, maybe 298. So you're not seeing the selling come in. You see all these buying imbalances? All right, so now you have sellers came in here, buying it back up. So let's take a look at 89.25. Okay, and look at the tick above and the tick below. And you could pretty much just take a look at the delta, see if this one's decreasing if you're bullish. This one's increasing if you're bullish. So it didn't. You see it's going down? This one became more bullish. So they have sellers here. This hasn't moved. This is increasing. We're coming back down. So it's like there's a, right in here, there's a seller at 89.75, even though we have positive delta. So take a look at 90 even, 0. Okay. I want to clear this. Unless we come so far down that there's a opportunity for a trade. You know, look, -7, -28. So we had -7 before to 28. Let's see if this comes up to -28. This is very, very small. To 0, to 9, to 5, to 2. So you're getting some selling in here. So you're having more buying here. Selling, buying, selling again. You see what's happening here? Buying now. All right, so now we got buyers coming in. All right, 21 and 22. That don't look too good. We got, see if we could go pop above here. Let's get above here. This is where I want to be above, 90 even. Then we'll decide where we want to go. Because I think the next, I mean, we could probably go to 92, which would be a 3-point move, which would be decent. You know, it'd be a pretty decent move. 3 points. Some imbalances. And you got a divergence. So we just had a bunch of sellers come in. right here. So they're selling it right here is 90. So see how low we go. See if we could go below here, 89.25. I would think that we probably, get a little bit of support at about 88.75, right? 88 and 3/4. Look at the amount of volume over here. It's not much. We do have a buying imbalance here. And we have support here as well. So 88.25. We'll see if we could come down below that. Seems like we got a buyer up in here. $89.25. Yeah, don't have FOMO. Okay, you may see this pop up a little bit. We got some positive delta. We got a divergence. Let's see if buyers are buying now. 407. All right, so sellers are coming in. 31 to 32, 82, 155. Okay, so 155 to 175. So you did have some sellers come in, 282, 382. We were saying, remember when we said where is the resistance level? It could be anywhere like within this area, within this high volume node. We could stay above that. And we were pretty positive here. And we're still inside the value area for this candle. There's really no clear indication that I see that we've formed a decent support area. All right, what I do see is a double top. All right, so I want to see, if you're into price action, if we're coming down. And where will we come down? Over here we had some negative delta. We have about the same amount, maybe a little more, just a little more. So from 178 to 44 to 176 to 109 to 73, 173 to 107 to 207 to 198 to 212 to 217. All right, so the value area, they're starting to build it up right about here, about 89.50. You know, and you got a pretty decent, yeah, so, you know, at 89 and a quarter, looks pretty, see if we break below here. Did have buyers and sellers, very small candle. Selling imbalances, a bunch of them. I'm gonna go long right here. Looks like we had a couple of selling imbalances here before, but we had a pretty decent candle there. A minute. Bunch of selling, but we had a lot more buying here. So let's go ahead and see if we hold that resistance, which is right here. We just need some buying to come in, take these all out. See if we get some momentum. 375, 378. All right, we're coming up a little bit. 376. This is looking better. So we got to get some buyers. So what's happening is we're not even. There you go. The buyers are coming in now. Finally, jeez. We're going to break even. I think we could probably get at least to the top of this candle. Value area that was right there. I mean, take it. Probably gonna just call it a day. We got 18 minutes into this video. This is just a, how would you say, lesson in patience, okay? And patience pays. The price action isn't great. There are some tariff news around, you know, so it's going to be a little volatile. Uh, you know, staying out of the market is also a position. So I am going to do that. I'm up a little bit of money today. A great trading day, but you know we still have more time. It's only 12 o'clock. So let's see how this pans out. You know, we're getting this great big, you know, area here that is more of a distribution. I would say a balance area, maybe. Very difficult for me, at least, to trade this kind of price action, especially up in here. I mean, I did take a couple of trades today. Let's take a look at what we got. Trade. I got out of that. You could tell the ones that you get out break even, right? Right there, right there. I did a couple of trades today. I mean, it's all right, to just know that you're not feeling it. And if you're not feeling it, your head's not in the game, or that it's what you need to be profitable is not there. You don't have FOMO. All right. Next trade is just a click away. All right. Anyway, I started a Discord, and I haven't been posting in it yet. But what I will do is once I get enough members in there, I'll start promoting it, and it'll be free. I have some other channels that are locked down specifically for admins, moderators, and stuff. So if I'm looking for moderators as well. So if you want the Discord, just send me a DM in the Discord. But the Discord link will be in the description. All right. So please, if you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks again.